In the vast expanse of the digital age, the cloud has become the cornerstone of modern computing, offering businesses and individuals alike a flexible, scalable, and cost-effective solution for data storage and management. However, as the reliance on cloud services grows, so does the complexity of securing these virtual environments. This video will explore the intricacies of cloud security, the prevalence of data breaches, and the labyrinth of compliance issues that organizations must navigate in an increasingly cloud-dependent world. The complexities of cloud security. Cloud security is a multifaceted discipline that encompasses a range of technologies, policies, services, and controls designed to protect data, applications, and the associated infrastructure of cloud computing. It is a critical component of an organization's cybersecurity strategy as it addresses the unique challenges posed by the cloud, such as remote accessibility, multi-tenancy, and the shared responsibility model. Understanding the shared responsibility model. At the heart of cloud security is the shared responsibility model, which delineates the security obligations of the cloud service provider and the customer. While CSPs like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure are responsible for the security of the cloud infrastructure, customers are accountable for securing their data within the cloud. This model requires a clear understanding of the roles and responsibilities to ensure that no aspect of security is overlooked. Cybersecurity threats in the cloud. The cloud's omnipresence makes it a prime target for cyber threats. According to CrowdStrike's 2024 Global Threat Report, cloud environment intrusions have surged, with a significant year-over-year increase in both cloud-conscious and cloud-agnostic cases. The report highlights the importance of robust cybersecurity measures to protect against sophisticated attacks that seek to exploit cloud vulnerabilities. Prevalence of data breaches. Data breaches in cloud computing are becoming more frequent and severe. The Sales 2022 Cloud Security Report revealed that nearly half of businesses experienced a cloud-based data breach or failed audit in the previous year, marking a concerning upward trend. These breaches often result from complex multi-cloud environments, misconfigurations, and human error, underscoring the need for comprehensive security strategies and rigorous compliance with data protection standards. The cost of data breaches. The repercussions of a data breach are far-reaching, with the average cost escalating into millions, not to mention the potential damage to an organization's reputation and customer trust. Encryption and key management are cited as essential security technologies to safeguard sensitive data in the cloud, highlighting the critical role of data protection in mitigating the risks of breaches. Navigating compliance issues. Compliance in the cloud is a complex puzzle, with regulations varying by industry and geography. Organizations must grapple with maintaining compliance amidst the evolving landscape of cloud services and the increasing governance complexity that comes with cloud migration. Regulatory challenges. Non-compliance can lead to regulatory investigations, reputational damage, and legal liabilities. As such, companies must balance innovation with adherence to compliance requirements, often turning these challenges into competitive advantages by implementing strong cloud security strategies that include layered controls across their infrastructure and network. Best practices for cloud governance and compliance. To effectively manage cloud governance and compliance, organizations should adopt best practices such as enhancing visibility and control over cloud environments, addressing security risks and vulnerabilities proactively, and ensuring adherence to industry regulations and data privacy laws. To wrap things up, securing the cloud is akin to navigating a sky filled with data protection challenges. As organizations soar higher into the cloud, they must equip themselves with the knowledge and tools to safeguard their digital assets against the ever-evolving threats. Stay safe, stay secure, and realize that by understanding the complexities of cloud security, preparing for data breaches, and adhering to compliance standards, they can ensure that their journey through the cloud is both secure and compliant, protecting their most valuable asset, data. See you again soon. Bye, and thanks for watching and listening.